What is up, guys? In this next video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $50 per day with this one website. This print-on-demand service is amazing. People loving this website by using this website all across the globe. And it's just taken up. It's new. You can jump in right now. The good thing about this website is you don't have to have any credit cards. You don't have to have any money upfront. You don't have to have no website. You don't have to have any tech skills. It's just you and your willpower. It's amazing, guys. This website takes care of all the rest of the other things for you. The only thing you need to do is to create sweet designs. It takes care of your printing, it takes care of your marketing, it takes care of your shipping, it takes care of your transaction, it takes care of your customer complaints, refunds, and billing. Okay, the only thing you need to do, create good designs. Now I get it. You're probably struggling financially, or you want to make some extra cash, or maybe you just enjoy designing shirts. Then this may be the most important tutorial you want to watch. So pay attention in this tutorial today. Now, this is a great opportunity for you and your loved ones to travel and tour across the world, because in this process you can make some extra coin that can help you take care of those bills. Okay, this opportunity is also going to make you enjoy sitting around sandy beaches while sipping on margaritas. Now, all right, guys, so this is the 3-step process that you're going to use in this new way on how we're killing it online. You're going to go to step number 1, where you're going to go to a website called Teespring. Teespring is a free website that anybody can log in right now and join. It's an e-commerce website, so you don't have to create any website for yourself. The next step is you're going to design some apparel, any apparel of your choice, on Canva, and you can piggyback on other designs. Now, I get it. Some of you are already saying like, whoa, I don't know how to design. Well and good. I know, even me, I don't know how to design. I'm going to show you how to go around designing things on Canva and how you can pay somebody some cheap change and design things, some amazing stuff for you. But the last step and the third step is to set up your pricing and wait for your money catching. All right, so this is the exact step. All right, so we are here on Teespring, guys. Teespring is the website that I'm selling to you today, guys. You like it? I'm not an affiliate of this website. I'm just showing you that you can use this website to make some cash. It's an e-commerce website, but they're allowing people to come in and design some apparels, t-shirts, whatever, even phone covers, and then with your special design, they help you to market it and sell it, and then over and above their manufacturing cost, they give you something as profits to your pocket, guys. So it's very simple. It's Teespring. Again, I'll leave a link below so that you can download it. Now, guys, if you're enjoying this video, if you think this is something for you, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment with like if you are like getting some value from this. All right, so once you get to Teespring, guys, you want to log in. Okay, log in, get an account first of all. It's an account, and then log in. Once you're here, just go here to get started. Okay, so the first step, let's click on get started on Teespring. All right. All right, guys, so we are here. Once you click on get started, it will bring you to this page. And in this page, guys, don't overthink it. There's nothing much going on here. On the left side is just some of your navigation tools or navigation buttons that will help you go about this website. But the good thing is Teespring already brings you to the most important part that you want. You want to come here at home, and then you see how it's right what's new, come here to create. So you want to click on create, because you want to create some designs on t-shirts or apparels or anything, and then Teespring is going to help you sell these designs online. Okay, they're going to take care of all the rest. The only thing you need to do is create some designs. Okay, so you're going to click on create here. All right, guys, so if you click on create, it's going to bring you to this new page. Now, this new page, you can choose what you want. You can choose women's, men's t-shirts. You can choose women's hoodies or whatever. You can choose even face masks. They even help you. They'll even give you an opportunity to design face masks and sell. Now we have also other apparels, accessories. We also had some phone covers or protectors down here. You can choose whatever you want, guys. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show us how to design men t-shirts. Okay. Now, okay, this is the page. Now we're going to the actual design. Now you can design it here, but I'm going to show you how you can easily design it using Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, again, I'm going to leave a link below down there to join Canva. Canva is also for free. Canva is an amazing tool you can use to design a lot of other things. And if you haven't, if you don't know how to use Canva, I'll probably also link some video that I show you how to use Canva. Canva is free and it's easy to use, and it's an amazing website or tool that will help you design a lot of things. All right, guys. So once you're here, I just focus on now this left side is what you saw on the previous page. It's also some navigational tools that you can use and bars to go around this website. But what's important is this page here. This is now your t-shirt. This is what you want to design. Now if you look down here, okay, just look down here, there is preview and then there is design. So you want to design, okay, you're going to click on design. Now you click on design. Okay, don't worry about the color. I'm going to show you to change the color. You can have as many colors as you want. Now you have front here and you have back here. You see this? So you can design something on the front, you can design something on the back. It's depending on how you want it, okay? All right. So now if you just come on this side, sorry, if you want to design your products, you can add an image. So this is where you can add a design from your piece, from wherever you have it, and put it here. So it means the next step I'm going to show you is how can we add a design on our t-shirt. Now you can add a text. You just click on text here, then come here, and then you can just add some text there. Simple. You can't see it because it's in black, but you can change the color right here. You can come and say you want that, or maybe you want red like that. So let's say, for example, so now we are design. Now we are on the main thing. This is the main thing that you do. This is your main task. The main task is design. It's as simple as that. So you're going to say passive online income. Okay, maybe I didn't get the spelling correct, but it's okay. Like that. So you can do something like that. Now, guys, you can also rotate it the way you want. This is just to show you that what you like. You can type and edit things around. I'm not exactly like doing this. You can come here, you can change the color, you can change the text type, you can change whether you want it bold or italic or underlined, anything you want, guys. You can change the color here. You can say maybe I want yellow, something like that. And then you just once you're done, I'm going to show you the rest of things. But let's say you don't want to have this, so what everybody is going to do. This is boring. This is not something that people want to buy. So I'm going to show you how you can make some simple, amazing designs that people are going to like. Okay, so first of all, where do you get these amazing designs? Now, this is where the trick comes in. So very first, we're going to jump into Alibaba or AliExpress to show you where you can get some amazing design. Now, I'm here on AliExpress, guys. Now, on AliExpress, once you sign to AliExpress, order here. Click here so that you sort by order. So AliExpress is going to order for you some of the best t-shirts or designs that you have they are selling right now on their store. Now, if these designs are ordered by the most ordered, then it means people are loving it but buying them. So it means you're going to create something close to this. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. You can design this, and again, I also can design this. But remember, there's so many people online who can design for you this thing at very lower prices, as low as $3 to $5. Okay, so just come here, choose the design that you like. If, for example, you like something like this, something close to this, you don't have to have it exactly, but you like something like this, just screenshot this, and then what you want to do is you want to go to another website called Fiverr. Okay, so you're going to go to another website called Fiverr. Fiverr is an online website where you have buyers and sellers meet, and these buyers and sellers, people want some services that maybe, okay, it's not logging me in. Let me just log in first. All right, guys, so now I'm at Fiverr. Now, once you're on Fiverr, you want to get somebody who can easily design for you your t-shirts or your design less than $5. Okay, so just come here and say design like that, and then graphic design. Okay, so graphic design, and then there are all these people, guys, who are designing things for as much money as you want. Now, let's say you want to have it at a cheaper price. If you're at a cheaper price, just come and look here, student budget, click budget, and you can say maximum, maybe just $1 to $5. Then apply. Like that, guys. So for example, this guy is designing t-shirt. Obviously, I can see a t-shirt here is designing for less than $5. So you need to go to that guy, ask him if he can design for you, send him the screenshot you've taken from AliExpress. Like for example, it's this one, send him this screenshot, send this person is designing for less than $5, and then if you agree, it's going to design it for you. Then once it's designed for you, you can come back to Teespring here and add it here. Okay, that is one way on how you go about this and create an amazing designs. Okay, now guys, if you're thinking maybe how can, if you don't have money, you don't have any cash to hire somebody to design for you, what do you do? Now you go to another website called Canva. Canva, again, is free. The link is below. You can click Canva below and join Canva for free today and design it for you. So let's jump into Canva and see. Alright guys, so this is Canva. If you haven't seen Canva, I'm going to link it a video or either below or above this video, this current video, so you can know how to go about Canva. I've got a short video for you. Just click on it so that you can know how to design Canva. Okay, so once you're on Canva here, what you want to do now, Canva don't have so much design, but you can go to social media here. Social media has some of the best designs on Canva. So once on social media, let's click blank. Something else going to create something very fast, very quick for us because this video now is getting too long. And then I'm going to go to here. Now, if you don't have to, if you do not use Canva again, just watch the video above or below this new video. Okay. So then I'm just going to scroll down and maybe let me see. Can pick on this. Looks nice. So beach plays. Okay, there, something like that. You can change the color from here. You can say this. I want this one red. Maybe I want this one to be black. I don't know. Let's see. I want that one to be. Let's see. Maybe that, something like that. So beach play, something like that. So maybe I can just add something here like this. So guys, I'm on Canva. I'm just trying to design something so that I can put on my t-shirt. So I've designed this beach plays. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, download this. Simple like that. Canva download this for you very fast. So once you download, come back to your Teespring. This is my t-shirt that I was designing. So just come here, you see here, add an image, takes me to my desktop here. Then I go to my downloads and then I add my picture like that. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. So beach play. So you can always expand this a bit like that. Like that. Now the good thing about Teespring tells you even the quality of it. So like right now it's telling me that the quality is not so good, so you can always bump it, try and do something to make it up. So once you finish designing, and that one I'm sure you can go about that. Once you finish designing, guys, your t-shirt, what you want to do is come and add some colors. You can add some colors here. You can say maybe you want this color. I don't know what color is that. You can add that. You can add another color. Maybe I want that gray, something like that. Okay. Now again, you can design both the front and the back. Okay. So that was the front. All right. So once you design a t-shirt, you've chosen the colors that you want to add. The next thing is you want to set your price. Okay. Now the price, please don't set the price too low, otherwise you won't make any profits, or otherwise people will see that it's a cheap quality t-shirt. So you always want to set it around the price that is already here by default. So let's say I just want to make more profits here, so I'm just going to charge it at $28.99. So this I'm going to make almost $12 in profits, guys. So I only need to sell like 4 of this and I made up to $50, guys. Only for this per day and I make it $50. That is some good money for something that can take you literally less than 3 minutes to design. Less than 3 minutes to design this, and you can make up to $50. Remember, the Teespring does for you all the rest of the things. Now, if you're thinking that, oh, maybe this thing is not working, you're not making money from this thing, guys, then look at what this website says. This guy, Benny, just made $100,000 on Teespring in just 5 months. And this is a story that is online. You can Google right down and see. And there's so many stories of people making lots of money using Teespring. All right, guys, that's it. That's about this video. That's how you can make money quickly without no tech skills, no money upfront, no website, no nothing. Just design, leave it there, and the Teespring will do for you all the rest. Now, once again, I hope you've gotten a massive amount of value from this. I hope you've learned something. I hope you're going to take action, because if you don't take action, nothing's going to happen, guys. You have to take action. All right. So thank you for watching. Please comment with like, and see you in the next video.